Look at that. We have some turkeys over here in the backyard. Wow, my first time seeing that many. Seeing that many in one place. Wow. Thanksgiving turkey right there, y'all.
On our way to the blessings for the pig cage for my sister. So we're walking with our boots. Hey, bootsman.
Oh yeah, got my new boots on. Not gonna mess up my tennis shoes. Can't mess up my good Nikes and Skechers.
And mine is so colorful. It's green.
Got it on. Whoa, what's those on that tree?
That's papaya.
Papaya?
Mm-hmm. So we're walking and walking. Somebody moving. Wala pa. We are in our boots. But mother, she didn't want to wear her boots, so
Wet feet.
she wore shoes. And it's drizzling right now, so we used our umbrella. Philippines, umbrella time.
Rain season. Look at that.
Oh, look at that! Rabbit.
No, it's on rain.
Conejo.
It's more.
Wow. It's a rabbit. Two. Rabbit. We passed this cockfight rooster. How are you this morning?
Excellent.
Love this walk?
Love it. I could do it every day.
Good.
With my boots on. Do it with your boots on. Keep it shuffling.
A lot of bananas over here. It's all banana.
Come here, boo cow. Hey, big boy. Big girl, whatever you are. You look like you're malnutrition. Eat all the grass you can, gain some weight.
I think the cows is just like that. Not like fat.
Not the right nutrition out here in the forest.
But the grass.
For the hay and stuff out in,
Oh, the hay.
you know, you got alfalfa, you got certain corns you give them.
Okay.
On our way walking to Chris and MARILYN'S pig farm. This is the view we have when we take our morning walks, and this is it. Nice out here. I could breathe. No sinus, no allergies. We have the little river to the right of us over here. You can hear the water running. Sounds nice. Texas Tim is loving it out here in the Philippines. I have a little store right here. They selling goodies to the little lady right there, little girl. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ray-Ban shirt. Of course, knockoffs. You got a little bit of everything
Yeah,
over here.
puppies.
Look at the mother
Yeah, citizens.
chicken protecting her babies.
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice little cage.
Mm-hmm. Look at this.
Look at that. Hey, goat. What's up, Billy? Hey, Hey, Billy. Buck like Billy. Boy got a set of jewels behind him there. That's a charge right there. Oh, they're jamming over here. Here we are, getting at my sister-in-law and brother-in-law's property over here. Come see the pigs, see the new baby piggies, and just enjoy the day with them. Good morning, everyone. Maumbunta. That means good morning. Let the fire begin.
Okay, we're here.
Hey, look who's over here. Good morning. Made it here early. You beat me here.
Where's the duck?
Wala pa na ako.
Oh.
Nagiit yung tubig. Ang kayo.
Okay, we're here.
Buka lang ito ang kayo.
We're gonna make padugo-dugo saad sa baboy.
Check.
With the duck.
I know how to fix that.
Now let's ihaw the pato, the duck. Ikuros, Fred. Bless this pig farm. Thank you. Nasamad lagi na siya.
Yan mo yung ipatol din o. Kita debate yan diyan ba?
Kaluoy. Dako agtiyan.
Yan gitago ba?
Okay. So, we're done. With the blessing for this pig cage. This is how we clean the duck. Say hi to my cousin, Fredo. Say hi, Fred. Hi.
Duck.
Ducky, ducky.
Here we are with the butchers over here. Got Fredo.
Say hi.
No, they working. It's okay, let them work. Got my brother-in-law in the black. Yimmy! What you doing, man? Ready to kill again? And I have the uncle in the white shirt. Those are the crew of the butcher.
Mana Ruben. Fredo.
Here we go. Got the butchering crew right here.
That's Elsa.
There go Miss Elsa over there.
Fredo's wife.
Fredo's wife. Yep. The baby got his little snacks. He's happy. No more crying. We got pigs in the background over there. Nice day over here. Not too much sunlight at all. Love it.
This is how they tie the roasted duck. And that's Auntie Shirley's pig farm too. Across the bridge, across the river. That's the river. This is how they roasted the duck. Duck. Letchon.
Oh, dili mo no? Si Duck.
Roasted duck. Naman yung puling ko sinira, oh. Yung puli man, oh. Layo yung nagigikanan yung kasilanahan, eh. Tsakay lasa ni Ron.
Junito.
Oh, here's a vendor of putot kutsinta.
Lumito nga, mama.
Julito. Okay. Palit me among dessert karon. Kuan ra ni siya. 2, 4. This is for only for $4.
Nalapapin na, ma'am.
Okay, salamat. This is $2 and this is $2. Wow. Thank you. Taga na tog tip si kuya. Pampalit niya og lubi. Okay kuya. Ayo. Here's the cookie rest. Manoy. Ano yung English ay mong giluto, Noy? Sa English ay mong giluto? Bloody Mary. He's cooking some pining. And then Letchon the ducky. Brown na siya. Luto na. Ang roasted duck, luto na. Let's eat, Mac. Mac.
Iya mo ka na ni gaman da kano ake. Atay patay sa bawan ya. Kaon tagbaboy.
Okay, luto na ang among mga putahe. Nay sampay na. Roasted duck. Among dessert.
Ang pikas mo magpatunga. Ang
Putot kutsinta.
magpatunga sa magpatigbabaw. May mulabaw mga
Kapay sabaw. Asa na nilagang baboy.
Pila ka mga bundok higayon o family encounter or family recollection. Mula maayo tayong ubanan. Kung padayon sa biyod ang
Ano ni padugo sa imong kwanter?
yung
ad sa baboy.
Itong mga kabataan na
Kaning putot kutsinta. $4 sa siya.
mga higala mo hangad sa Diyos.
Okay, let's eat.
Akorde.
Thank you to the family. To this young lady right there, look at her. That big old smile.
Jennifer.
Miss Jennifer, thank you very much.
And
Kuya Jimmy, look at him. Thank you, Superman right here, the butcher. And to the rest of the family,
thank you.
thank you.
Okay, magkita lang tayo doon niya.
Can I make it again?
Yeah, you can. Thank you, uli na mi. Kuyog si Makmak, yati. Awit. Nakain na sila sa kuan. Tangkal. Lakaw rami.